Okay, 5.2, we continue with system of equations, except it's slightly harder. Now, instead of 2 by 2, we're gonna have a 3 by 3. I mean, three equations, 3 variables. But the procedure is pretty much the same, or at least for the first part. Let's recall solving 2 by 2. If I were to solve by elimination, say multiply the first equation by 3, then I have the new system equation, which is negative 3x minus 6y equal negative 12. Rewrite the second one, right? You don't have to write this down. And then you add, because elimination, that should be gone. I have negative 8y equal negative 6, I'm sorry, not negative 16, equal negative 8. Okay. Y equal 1. So my point is, from a 2 by 2, I have 2 equations, 2 variables. I come down to how many? 1 equation with 1 variable, 1 by 1. Right? That little x means 1 by 1. We're gonna do the same thing with solving system equation with 3 by 3. I don't know why the 3 there is. So we start out with 3 by 3. We're going to reduce it down to 2 by 2. Just like the one right up there. We're gonna look just like that. Right? And then from 2 by 2, we go down to 1 by 1. Then you solve, if you 1 by 1 mean one of the variables is already solved. All you have to do is backtrack, right? Substitute y into a 2 by 2 to solve for x. Once you have y and x, you substitute y and x into 3 by 3 to solve for z. And the black arrow in between, now what is the method that allow me to reduce from 3 by 3 to 2 by 2? We're gonna use a method elimination. For now. But later, we're going to use Gauss-Jordan elimination, use the matrix C. But for now, we'll use method of elimination. So far, so good. So that is the whole picture. Now, before I give you a yes, before I give you a problem, let me finish. Well, you have to take a picture. I cannot just stop. Let me remind you what we can do with the system equation. I can interchange 2 equations. Right? So for example, don't write this down. For example, if I start out with x plus y equal negative 2, 2x minus y equal positive 4, I can put the second equation into the first and then put the first one into the second. Like that. It's the same thing, right? You can interchange 2 equations. It's the same thing. You can replace an equation by a non-zero constant multiple of itself. We've been doing a lot of times. Right there, I just multiply both sides by 3. Right? You can do that. And you can replace an equation by a non-zero constant, you can replace an equation by a sum of that equation and a constant multiple of any other equations. What does that mean? You actually did that already. After I multiply the first equation by 3, what do? I add them, right? So that's the third bullet point implied, right? You can add, or in that case, they use the word sum, one equation with the multiple of another. So you can do all that. All right, let's do this one. I'm gonna label my equation. 1, should I label in red or? 1, 2, 3. Right there. 1, 2, 3. What variable you want to eliminate? Everybody's different. As long as your final answer is the same, I don't care how you do it. X, right? I have positive X and negative X. So naturally I pick X. Remember, you can add 2 equations. X and negative X is already opposite. I don't have to do anything. All I have to do is just add them together. So 3, not 2. Equation 1 plus equation 3. X plus negative X is 0. 2y plus y is 3y. 3z plus 2z is 5z. 11 plus 2 is 13. So far, so good. Pick another 2 equations and you eliminate the same variables. Do not change your mind. If you, in the beginning, if you choose to eliminate X, keep it consistent, right? So the second pairs, you continue to eliminate X, right? So you either pick 1, 2 or 2, 3. Don't pick 1, 3 again, you already did. 2, 3, yeah, because they're already opposite, right? All you have to do is multiply the 1 by 3. So 2, what do I have to multiply the third one by? 3, right? 2 plus 2, 3 times equation 3. I'll just write the step. So let's rewrite the equation 2. Sorry. Equation 2 is 3x plus 8y plus 5z equal 27. And don't forget to multiply the third one by 3. Like that. So negative 3x plus 3y plus 6z equals 6. Now you add. X should be gone. If it's not, something wrong. X should be gone. 8y plus 3y is 11y. 5z plus 6z is 11z equal 33. Can I reduce it? Can I divide both sides by 11 to make it smaller? Yeah. Y plus z equal 3. I'm going to call this equation, I'm going to call the first one, the 2 by 2, is going to be equation number 4. And this is equation number 5. Do you see what you did? From 3 by 3, you reduce it down to 2 by 2. Now combine 4 and 5. So I have 3y plus 5z equal 13. And then y plus z equal 3. Now 2 by 2. You guys know how to solve for that. You can either use elimination or substitution, doesn't matter. Multiply the second one by -3. I have a habit of using elimination. Now I have 3x plus 5. I'm rewriting the first one. And then the second one is -3. Sorry, 3y, not 3x. -3y plus 3z equals -9 minus 3z. Sorry. One of the variables should be gone. 5z minus 3z is 2z. 13 minus 9 is 4. Z equal 2. So from 3 by 3, go down to 2 by 2, go down to 1 by 1. Like I said in the beginning. Once you have z, where will you plug? Where will you plug z? Should I plug into one of the originals or should I plug into either 4 or 5? Either 4 or 5, right? So you can solve one of them, solves y. Hmm? Yeah, technically you can do any of them. But if you plug into the original, you can have another 2 by 2. Yeah. Yeah. Because only one down, you still 2 more to go. But let's do backtrack. It's easier. Right? So plug into I would say 5, right? 5 more simpler. Technically anything is fine. Just 5 is y plus z equal 3. Z is 2, so y plus 2 equal 3. Y equal 1. Now you can plug into one of the first 3. Equation 1 is x plus 2 times y, which is 1, plus 3 times z, which is 2, equal 11. 2 plus 6 is 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Your final answer is, in order to pair x, y, z, 3, 1, 2. How do I know I got the right answer? You plug into the original, right? You plug in all 3 of them, not just one. And if they equal each other, then you're okay. But I'm not doing that. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna make this into extra credit. I'll make one do midnight tonight. Yeah, midnight tonight, okay? So that will be your extra credit there. Just give me a few seconds before I set it up. Check after 2 o'clock. That's it.